Hi everyone, this is Felix once again and welcome back to WeMakeItEasy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change thumbnail on your YouTube video. And let's get started. First, on YouTube desktop website, click your profile icon found in the top right corner of the page. On the panel, click the YouTube Studio. On the left navigation menu, hit Content. On the content option, you'll see the list of your uploaded videos and redirect to the video in which you want to change the thumbnail by clicking the video thumbnail icon. Scroll down and move to the thumbnail section. Here, click the three-dotted option and select Change option. Select your image from the pop-up and hit Open. Once you uploaded a custom thumbnail, the final step is to click the Save button. And that's it. I hope that this video helps you to guide on how to change thumbnail on YouTube. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit the comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, just click the join button below and become a beloved member for just $1 a month. See ya!